children actually been there for last 2 years, and she's very good. I have seen improvement in her English. Her maths have improved. She has scored almost full marks in maths. Just her vowels are little weak, but I think this is the best she can do, and the school is providing very good efforts and education to her. And thank you.
Morning. So today is Parents Teachers Day of my daughter. She's studying in K1 and she got really good marks, and I'm happy that the teachers are paying attention here, and the environment she's getting here is a kind of a overall development for a child. So I would like to congratulate the school for creating such a curriculum for students, and I'm happy with the experience. Thank you. She was not very good at writing. Her reading skills were good, but as I spoke into Ashima ma'am, and then I've seen the improvement. And yeah, overall, in terms of if I talk about English writing, reading, I've seen the improvement. And she has also started gelling up with other children. Yeah, so it's a good improvement.
So I'm very happy with all the progress that I've seen in my kids. I think developmentally and also socially, right? There's just so much of traction. So very thankful to Starwoods and looking forward for the next year.
Okay, hi, good morning. My child is Hriday Khandelwal. He was starting in grade 2, and I was really very happy with the progress he made and the improvements he showed in his when he got admitted. And now he is in grade 3, and I'm very happy with his improvements, and whatever he goes, he totally learns on his himself. And thank you so much for the ma'am, his class teacher, and the principal ma'am for his improvements and all things he do. Thank you.
My name is Shivangi Kuteta and my daughter name is Adishi Kuteta, and I am fully satisfied with the school. The school is very good, and especially the teachers and the ambience of the school is very nice, and I am fully satisfied with the teachers and schools and everything. Thank you.
Experience, I had a very good experience from my kid. Thank you to Ashima ma'am and all the teachers who has been coordinated with his Starwoods. I'm very happy with his result. He stood first in the class, and he's been going to another school. I'll miss this school and everyone here. Thank you so much.
स्कूल है और यहाँ के टीचर भी बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छी पढ़ाई होती है यहाँ पे, बहुत बच्चों के लिए सबसे बेस्ट स्कूल है ये वैशाली में। तो ये है कि इसको आगे और बढ़ाया जाए, 12th तक किया जाए, यही चेंजेस की जरूरत है, इसमें और कोई चीज़ की जरूरत नहीं है, और सब बेस्ट है।
all your efforts, especially ma'am Ashima ma'am on and the team Starwoods, all are amazing. Earlier she was so shy, but now she is confident. So that was the biggest change I've seen. So all over. A very good environment and good atmosphere to my ward, and I'm very happy with the result. If my ward is happy, then I'm happy. So thank you so much, especially thanks to Ashima ma'am, his class teacher, everyone, staff, and wale bhaiya, didis, all are. Thank you so much. His communication and is more attentive, his dedication, and especially food in his say that's it.
Hello, uh, I'm Garima. I have two kids, Naksh and Nairan. Both they have done their studies from Sarah only. It's an amazing school. The teachers, the faculties, the concept they are using, everything is perfect. Especially the evening classes are also very good for kids. I found massive improvement in kids' studies, and in fact in the other curricular activities as well. So thank you so much, Ashima ma'am, for giving such a lovely platform to kids. Majorly, I've noticed the way they used to study. Initially, they didn't had that confidence how to solve the questions, how to do the homework. Now they are capable of doing it by themselves only. I don't feel like any need to sit with them and instruct them do it like this, do it like that. No, not at all. They are self confident now. Thank you so much.
Last 1 year, it was super. Ashima ma'am and the Parminder ma'am did the great job. I'm totally satisfied with this school. Thank you so much. When he joined, he was shy, but now he is very confident. He is just talking like, he is very confident. So I'm totally satisfied with the school, and he will definitely miss the school. Thank.
My ward Vishnu and Karthik are studying here from past 2 years. They are doing so good. They are improving their English language communications, and the teachers are so good. Very much changes I have seen in my child. He is doing so good in all other activities also, education also. So creative staff and creative students.
In last 1 year, actually, my son Naksh studies here, and I've seen a lot of improvement in his studies and in his co-curricular activities also. And the teachers here actually gives a very good time to child for their improvement, and secondly also looks upon their extra activities which they can improve upon. So I think I'm very satisfied with this school, and it's I mean the base gets strong here in the kids. Thank you.
Well, he has become a bit more, uh, sincere to his studies, and rest. It's a good, like we got a good, um, what do you call it? Good improvement overall. He's doing well. Thank you.
I have lot. She has lot changed after admitted to this school, and the progress is maximum 90%. I can say before that she is 50, 55. After joining this school, her English is also improved very much, and spoken English also. Thank you.
And Adya, start from the starting. She was active, and now she's active. And उसे खाना खाना नहीं आता था, जो इसने स्कूल में ही सीखा है स्पेशली. और बाकी हाँ, स्कूल के लिए वो बहुत रहती है कि हाँ उसको स्कूल जाना है. Thank you.
I have seen a lot of improvement in the kids, not only academics but other extracurricular activities. And for me, the best thing is that the teachers are very particular about the children, and the way they take care of the children with so much love and patience. I really appreciate that. Thank you.
Let's start. I like the school. She's doing very great after getting admission in the Starwoods, and she's improving day by day, and hope she'll continue. Yeah, she is behaving very well as a kid. Now she learns things, but she's improving every day as a kid, as a student, every day.
There are a lot of changes in Keshav after he came to the school. I know how my child came, and I know how he has grown up. So it's commendable, and the hard work of teachers is exceptional. Thank you.
On the student, the personal attention given on the students. I think I have continued with 3 years from pre-nursery. I have continued this. I have seen lots of changes in my daughter. Very nice.
हिताक्षी यहाँ पे 2019 से पढ़ रही थी, तो इसमें जो इसका बेसिक फाउंडेशन है वो काफ़ी स्ट्रांग हुआ है स्कूल में रह के. और उसके अलावा जो इसके लिए एक्टिविटीज़ आप लोग करवाते हो वो बहुत अच्छी है स्कूल में. तो फिर लगभग हर एक को शायद कंपलसरी है यहाँ इसमें एनुअल फंक्शन और डांसेस में पार्टिसिपेट करना. तो वो भी काफ़ी अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है स्कूल का, जिस वजह से ओवरऑल जो फाउंडेशन है बहुत अच्छी हुई है हिताक्षी की यहाँ पे स्कूल में रहते हुए. And I wish all the best for the school for future endeavors. Thank you so much.
Is the best school?
Yeah.
What do you call this school?
STEM school.
Yeah. Is your favorite school?
Yeah.
Good. You'll come next year also?
Yeah.
Good. So thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
We really had a good experience at Starwood, and I have seen a lot of changes in my son Kriyansh, especially her social skills. I have seen a lot of improvement in his social skills, like eating with his classmates, or his behavior in public. And I have seen some good changes in his performance as well. He learned so many new things during his tenure at Starwood. And Overall, my experience was really good. Thank you so much, ma'am.
The experience was very good. My daughter Kalyani, she is improving very well in studies, and recommend Starwoods to every parents from kindergarten to fifth grade.
Start. My grandson is studying here, and I feel very good. His progress is very developed, and he enjoy very much. Uh, Altogether, learning everything. I think his school is best for kids for playing to learn.
Hello everyone. Our two kids, one is in class third and another one is K1. They're studying here, and we have a lot of good things to say. Especially my kid who is in third class, she is very good in English. She speaks English by herself. She works for her maths, workbook, everything by herself. And our kid who is in K2 is also very good in her vocabulary, her works with the school and everything, and they are all showing very good signs of a good speaker also. So in all, we are having very good time with our kids in this school. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so it's been 3 years, Abhyuday. He started his nursery, he started his playgroup here, and now K1, he finished K1. He's progressing good, very good environment which he's seeing in the school, playing with kids, not only studies, the co-curricular activities which he's doing is definitely great. And we are seeing the growth, the way he's growing in this school is definitely great. So thank you, Starwoods, for that.
Kashvi has enrolled in mid-session to Starwoods. I think it's in July or August. After that, we admitted in Starwoods. Then we feel that the environment of school is very good, and the learning capability of the child is very very good. So we are very satisfied with that. She is very naughty. She is very naughty right now, and supporting of all the teachers, and basically the friendship. We seen that the child is doing some work with own facilities, and basically she is calculating everything, and she is very naughty right now. So that's our experience is very good, very excellent, I think. So thank you so much.